the hidden secret that supercharges plant growth and keeps pests away naturally. What if the key to lush, fast-growing plants and a pest-free garden was already sitting in your kitchen trash? Every time you peel an orange, you're throwing away one of nature's most powerful organic fertilizers and pest repellents. That bright, zesty peel you often discard is packed with nutrients, essential oils, and natural compounds that can transform your garden soil and protect your plants, all without a single drop of harmful chemical sprays. Gardeners around the world are now discovering this secret, turning orange peels into a fine, potent powder that helps plants grow faster, stay greener, and repel pests naturally. Welcome to Crop Corner, where we reveal the simple science behind this game-changing garden hack. Why orange peel powder is a game-changer for every gardener. Orange peels are more than just leftovers from your morning juice. They're loaded with nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, four of the most vital nutrients for plant growth. These nutrients feed the soil microbes that make your plants thrive, enriching the soil over time. But that's not all. Orange peels contain natural oils, particularly limonene, which is highly effective at repelling common garden pests, such as aphids, ants, whiteflies, and mosquitoes. When processed correctly, orange peels become a dual-action powerhouse, boosting plant health from the roots up while protecting leaves and stems from insect attacks. And unlike synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, it's completely eco-friendly, biodegradable, and safe for pets, pollinators, and you. How to make the secret orange peel powder. Making this powder at home is simple, and you only need orange peels and a bit of patience. Start by collecting the peels from several oranges. Wash them thoroughly to remove any wax or residue. Next, cut the peels into small pieces to help them dry evenly. Spread them out under direct sunlight for 3 to 5 days until they're completely crisp and brittle. If the weather is humid, you can also dry them in an oven at a very low temperature, around 100 degrees Celsius, or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, for about an hour. Once dried, grind the peels into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. Store this powder in an airtight glass jar away from moisture and sunlight. What you now have is a nutrient-dense organic powder that can be used in multiple ways to boost plant growth and repel pests naturally. Using orange peel powder as a powerful fertilizer works wonders due to its slow-release nutrient profile. When you add it to soil, it gently feeds plants over time, improving soil texture and microbial activity. To use it effectively, mix 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder into 1 liter of water. Stir it well and let it sit for about 2 hours, allowing the nutrients to infuse into the liquid. Use this mixture to water your plants once every 2 weeks. For faster growth, you can also sprinkle a small handful of the dry powder directly around the base of your plants, then water as usual. This not only nourishes the roots, but also helps deter soil pests like ants and fungus gnats. Your plants will respond with stronger stems, greener leaves, and more vibrant blooms. Vegetable growers often notice that their tomato, pepper, and leafy green plants show faster growth and increased yield after just a few weeks of consistent use. Turning orange peel powder into a natural pest repellent spray is where it really shines. It doesn't just feed plants, it shields them. The natural limonene and citric acid in orange peels are powerful deterrents for soft-bodied insects. You can easily make a homemade spray that acts as a natural pesticide without harming beneficial insects. To make it, mix 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder with 1 liter of warm water. Let it steep overnight, then strain the liquid into a spray bottle. For added strength, you can mix in 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap. This helps the solution stick better to leaves. Spray the mixture on both sides of your plant leaves early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid direct sunlight, which can cause leaf burn. Repeat every 5 to 7 days, or after rainfall. This simple routine keeps pests like aphids, spider mites, and caterpillars away, leaving your plants naturally protected and thriving. Commercial fertilizers and pesticides may deliver quick results, but they come with hidden costs: soil degradation, nutrient imbalance, and loss of beneficial insects. In contrast, orange peel powder strengthens your garden ecosystem rather than disrupting it. It feeds earthworms, encourages beneficial microbes, and helps restore the natural balance of your soil. Even more impressively, the natural oils from orange peels form a light, protective barrier on plant surfaces, reducing fungal infections and mildew buildup. Over time, your garden becomes more self-sustaining and resilient to stress, without dependency on synthetic chemicals. Alright, so, consistency is key. You'll want to apply the fertilizer or spray regularly for at least 4 to 6 weeks to really see noticeable improvements. For indoor plants, it's best to use half the strength of the recipe to avoid overfeeding. And here's a little extra tip. You can blend orange peel powder with compost or organic matter for an extra nutrient kick. If you notice pests returning, don't worry. It just means your plants are becoming a hotspot for growth, and pests are naturally drawn to strong-smelling, healthy vegetation. Simply reapply your orange peel spray and keep the soil balanced. Within a short period, you'll see fewer pest problems, and, honestly, stronger plant vitality overall. What's truly beautiful about this method is just how sustainable it is. By reusing kitchen scraps that would otherwise end up in the trash, you're really contributing to a zero-waste gardening lifestyle. You're cutting down on landfill waste, reducing dependency on chemical fertilizers, and, well, nurturing your plants with pure organic nutrients straight from nature. This circular approach to gardening is what makes it both practical and powerful. Every orange you eat becomes a gift back to your garden, a perfect cycle of nourishment and growth. The final verdict: the secret powder that makes plants grow faster and repels pests isn't some expensive commercial formula. It's the humble orange peel, packed with nutrients, bursting with essential oils, and gentle on the environment. Orange peel powder is the ultimate gardener's ally. It's easy to make, highly effective, and works for everything from flowers to fruit trees. By adding this simple routine to your gardening habits, you'll not only see your plants flourish, but also know you're doing it in harmony with nature. It's proof that sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the ones nature already gave us. So, if you're ready to take your garden to the next level, start saving those orange peels today. Blend, brew, and watch your plants thank you with stronger roots, greener leaves, and a pest-free glow. Don't forget to subscribe to Crop Corner, share this guide with your fellow gardeners, and let's keep growing a greener, healthier world, one orange peel at a time.